fellow KM students. Today I am going to show you how to do our laundry. Now, as you see, I have a front loader, and so that means that you put the laundry on top. So I have sorted some laundry right here, and today I'm going to be doing darks. So I put my laundry in the wash machine. So as you see, put it all in there. Next, we're going to sit there and we're going to get our detergent. Now, when we do this, we read the directions, make sure that we are getting the right amount of soap. Now, if I could open it, that would be great. There we go. So they have a little measuring cup, and as you can see here, I'm going to pour my laundry detergent in. There we go, just enough. And as you see, I'm going to pour the laundry detergent in. So now we've got the laundry detergent in the washer. Now, on mine, you can see but the controls. And so I've got to turn the power on first. And then after I do that, it's got a bunch of different settings I can put it on. But I just want to do a normal load. And so it's on normal. And so I go and press the button that makes it go. And it should be starting here. Hopefully. Let's do it again here. All right. So hopefully that is going to start here. Let me try that again. Well, anyway, I'm going to turn it off. There we go. Now I'm going to turn the power back on again. And it's on normal. Again, on normal. Come on. There we go. So, it did all of its things. And now we are washing our clothes. So that is the first part. So we're doing our washing first. And then as soon after that, I like to obviously go and put it in the dryer. So we'll do that a little later. But I also sort my clothes. And sometimes, as you can see here, I hang my clothes that I don't want to shrink. So anyway, so again, we did our wash. And then later we will do our drying. So that is pretty much how you sit there and load some laundry. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.